Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Mubi subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to cancel your Mubi subscription, what you want to do is go to the Mubi website and log into your account, and then from there click on your profile icon or name in the top right hand corner and select either account or settings from the drop down menu. Look for a section related to subscriptions or billing, and then find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Once you've done that, you may receive a confirmation email or notification on the screen confirming that your subscription has been cancelled. And if you subscribe for a third-party service like Apple or Google Play, you might need to cancel through that service's app or website. So I'm on an Android device, so to cancel, click on your Play Store and then click onto your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on payment and subscriptions, click on subscriptions and search for Mubi, and then cancel that subscription.